Little ditty about Jack and Diane, two American kids growing up in the hot rain. Jack's gonna be, a football star. Diane's every time backseat of Jackie's car. Sucking on to the dog, sucking on the chili dog. Sucking on a chili dog, sucking on a chili dog. Sucking on a dog, sucking on a chili dog. Sucking on a dog, sucking on a chili dog. Chili dog. Sucking on a chili dog. Sucking on a dog, sucking on a chili dog. Sucking on a chili dog. Sucking on a dog, sucking on a chili dog. Sucking on. Sucking on chili dog. Sucking on a dog, sucking on a chili dog. Sucking on chili, sucking on a dog. Sucking on chili dog. And I mean penises. Little ditty about Jack and Diane, two American kids sucking on a chili dog.
Chili dog. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We are Reefer Knifefight.